Hello, hi. So this time I'm back with a chicken egg fried rice recipe. If you are new to this channel, like, share, subscribe. So quickly take a look into the list of ingredients. Well, in the whole video, I'll be telling in the quantity alongside, and of course, I have dropped it in the description. So first up, take in a kadai. I'm adding around 2 tablespoons of oil. So you don't really have to wait till the oil heats up as a whole. Once the oil is slightly hot, add in chopped onion, garlic and ginger. I've used 1 onion, small piece of ginger and 2 to 3 pods of garlic. I've also added in 1 spoon of spring onion. You can keep some aside for garnishing. 1 carrot chopped. You don't really have to wait till the onions get sauteed. Well, in this recipe, I just took around 3 to 4 small pieces of chicken and chopped it. So now add in the chopped chicken. Here I am keeping it safe and pretty simple by using boiled chicken. Chicken was boiled with a pinch of salt and pepper in the pressure cooker, so there is no much worries about it remaining uncooked. Once it's all mixed up, we have to add 1 egg, 1 or 2, it's up to you. Well, if you pour the egg in the same kadai, it would mix up with all the flavors. Now I'm making up some space for the egg in the between of all our masalas. Now let's simply drop open 1 egg and give it a nice mix so that you get all those sort of egg bhurji. So basically we have to scramble the egg. And I believe if we add in some salt and pepper into the egg, so it gives us much more flavor. So herein I'm adding in some pepper, that is crushed pepper, as well as a little bit of salt. Now it's almost time for our main ingredient, that is soya sauce. So add in around 1 spoon of soya sauce. Well, you can add in some vinegar too, but I have actually skipped that because I added in some green chili sauce which already have some vinegar in it. Add in the chili sauce as per you like. There is no such quantity that how much you should go for, so it's up to you. I have taken in only around 1 spoon of chili sauce. Now adding in the main ingredient of chicken egg fried rice, and that is rice. So I've used in basmati rice here, which was already cooked and the water was properly drained. Herein I have used 1 cup of rice. So now we have to make it very sure that we mix up everything very nicely. Well, I would suggest that gradually adding in the rice would be a better option, so that you can actually mix it real well, and of course you get some space to move around with the spatula that you have. Well, I did add in some more of soya sauce, like a very little, not even half spoon. It's almost reached the point where I have added in all the rice and giving it all a nice mix. Well, to make it more yum now, let's add in some green onions that we actually kept before for garnishing. So here we are with some beautiful looking chicken egg fried rice. Give it a try. Before signing off, I thought to share this little salads recipe as well. So all you need is like 2 cucumbers, chop it into cubes and add some salt and pepper. That's it. Thank you for watching.